So halfway through, how's your salad pie bowl thing?
Really, 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 really good.
Yeah. How's your, well, you've almost finished your burger, so that must be good. Yeah. Josh, how are the fries?
Good.
Good. Excellent. What is the salad like?
Well, I wasn't sure what I was ordering at first, but so we ordered something, and it's got rice, peppers, onions, and chicken. But it comes with this sauce. No idea what it is, but it's absolutely delicious. Really recommend it. For the price, it's ridiculously cheap.
And how was your burger, Kurt?
We're good.
And your muffin?
Very good.
Which muffin did you have?
Nutella one.
Nutella. And you've got your Nutella muffin there, Josh?
Yeah.